The sky turned black in the middle of the afternoon. Not because of a storm, but because the fire itself had come alive. In recent years, Australia has witnessed something terrifying. Wildfires so powerful, they create their own weather systems. These are not ordinary fires anymore. They are fire vortexes, spinning towers of flame that behave like tornadoes. During the devastating Black Summer bushfires, scientists recorded massive fire-generated storms known as Pyrocumulonimbus clouds. These clouds didn't just spread smoke, they created lightning, winds, and even more fires. Imagine this. A fire so intense that it rises into the sky, forms a thundercloud, and then strikes the ground with lightning, starting new fires miles away. This is not just destruction. This is a self-sustaining system. So what exactly is happening? Normally, wildfires depend on three things: heat, fuel, and oxygen. But in Australia, something has changed. Extreme heat waves, prolonged droughts, and strong winds are combining to create the perfect conditions. When a wildfire becomes large enough, it begins to pull in air rapidly. That rising hot air starts to spin, forming a vortex. Like a tornado, but made of fire. These fire vortexes can reach temperatures over 1000 degrees Celsius. They can lift burning debris into the air and throw it kilometers away. They move unpredictably, changing direction without warning. And the most dangerous part? They are nearly impossible to stop. Firefighters around the world are trained to control wildfires. But these vortexes don't follow rules. Water drops become useless against such extreme heat. Fire breaks fail, because the fire simply jumps across them. Even advanced firefighting systems struggle. Because this is no longer just a fire. It's a weather event. Scientists now believe that Australia is becoming a hotspot for these extreme fire behaviors. Why? Because climate conditions are intensifying. Rising global temperatures are making heat waves longer and more frequent. Forests are becoming drier, turning into massive fuel reserves waiting to ignite. And once they do, the fire doesn't just burn. It evolves. During recent studies, researchers found that these firestorms can inject smoke into the upper atmosphere, almost like volcanic eruptions. This not only spreads pollution globally but also affects weather patterns far beyond Australia. It's a chain reaction. Fire creates wind. Wind spreads fire. Fire creates storms. Storms create lightning. Lightning creates more fire. A loop that feeds itself. And here's the harsh reality. We are entering an era where these fires may become the new normal. Experts warn that unless global emissions are reduced, these unstoppable wildfire vortexes will only grow stronger. Entire ecosystems are at risk. Wildlife, homes, and human lives. The question is no longer, can we stop these fires? The question is, how do we survive them? Because when fire starts creating its own weather, it stops being something we control and becomes something we fear. This isn't just Australia's problem anymore. This is a glimpse into Earth's future.